Oh my god, awkward. So, hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Going an Angel. Oh my god. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, welcome to my channel. Oh my god, hi everyone, that's Beverly.
Hello.
Oh my god, Beverly, you look so sexy and her makeup's not
You
even
did my
that.
hair too?
So, are you super excited that we're gonna be doing this?
Absolutely. I'm so excited.
Well, as I told her, I'm a little nervous because this is the second time we're gonna be doing
Girls
makeup. Honey, I don't do girls, thank you.
Literally.
Oh my god. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing this very beautiful look from Rocio Ceja. Hashtag, I love her, follow her. So look at her picture, we're gonna be doing this look. She looks amazing. Rocio Ceja, if you're watching this video, I love you. So anyway, let's say no more. Then I usually do her hair too, so
Yes,
that's why her hair is
shout
already
out.
sexy. But we're gonna be styling it, so we're gonna do her makeup and everything, and we'll be back. I mean, we'll be right back. Oh my god, awkward. Love you. So I just put a little primer everywhere. So with eyebrows, be nice, chill, gentle, honey. Thank you. And now you guys know I came out with the primer. Look at that. So we're gonna put some cute eye primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills to Beverly. Oh my god. Oh my god, Beverly. So how does it feel to be called Beverly?
Oh Lord,
and be using the Beverly Hills palette? So now we're gonna put a little bit of setting powder, because honey, trust and believe, I need to set a little bit. Trust and believe, honey, she is powdered in. And not too much powder, honey, unless you're an artist. I'm just kidding, oh my god. We're gonna be using this beautiful palette again, look at us.
That's so pretty.
Gorgeous. Oh my god, honey, those colors are popping. We're gonna use the Z3, which is a red. It's a beautiful red. Ooh. And I'm gonna put that all around her crease. Oh, and that's all I gotta say, honey. OMG! Or more like TNI.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
E4, which is like a little bit like, it looks a little bit like neonish orange. Oh my god, neonish orange. I mean, look at the blend of those colors though. It looks like, honestly, like so perfect. The C5 and the E5. We're gonna mix them together. And we're gonna spice things up a little bit. This one over here, the C number 2, and I'm gonna apply that with my finger. The E1. I'm gonna mix this once a little bit, and I'm gonna go a little bit through this corner over here. Let's try to blend that out a little bit better.
Oh wow, yeah, it looks gorgeous.
So now we're gonna add a little cute stars because we're about to put a white. I'm gonna put those right there. C1, which is the white.
Trust and believe, honey. Trust and believe.
So now we're gonna take the little stars.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Oh my
That is
god.
too fun.
We're gonna put a little bit of mascara. She doesn't even need eyelashes, honey. She has beautiful natural eyelashes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the foundation and the blush and all that good stuff, and we'll be right back, guys. And remember, honey, when it's more, I guess it's more. Let's get this highlight out. Oh my god,
Oh,
look at
honey,
skin,
not
man.
fresh,
Friday night around 7, stuck behind your desk and by the phone.
Okay, oh my god, here we are, Beverly. Like, you look like so stunning.
I love it.
Well, thank you so much, beautiful.
Of
You look amazing. I
course.
styled her hair, of course. As I
Yes.
said before, I'm her stylist, so I colored her hair like, I think like a couple of weeks ago, last
Yeah.
week.
Mm-hmm.
And we didn't film that, but we were talking about my videos, and
Yes.
she decided to be my model. I'm so happy. You look so beautiful.
I'm so happy.
thank you so much.
I love it.
And let me know what looks you want to see. Oh, bye everyone. Don't
angel
forget to like, share, and
experience.
subscribe. Oh my god, Diva!
Amazing.
Baby, she was born with it. Love
It's
you.
the angel experience. Maybe I have to stand up. Are you already videotaping?
Okay, they will look cute.
Oh.
Wait, honey, a little more camera for me, thank
Okay,
you. And the artist.
okay.
No, just
Okay,
kidding. Oh my god,
so-
such a joke.
What are we doing?
Okay, the intro. Okay, stay over there.
Okay.
Oh